Here we come to the elevator at 2015 Cammon Street in Raleigh, North Carolina. I meant to say 2016, I'm sorry, but anyways. I assume this is another Monarch elevator, but the only difference is that the buttons have been replaced. Oh yes, we're gonna have an amazing motor on this. I think this is a Monarch II. There is music playing out there. Yup. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. And oh yeah, I remember this elevator. I think this is a Monarch, but and it doesn't say anywhere. Somebody says that this is a Monarch elevator, but I don't know for sure though. But anyways, let's go to the second floor now. Yes, this is a Monarch elevator. So I have found not one, but two Monarch elevators. This is my second Monarch elevator I've ever ridden. And look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. Anyways, I'm gonna test the bumper. This one pushes in. See, look at this. This one pushes in, unlike the other one. Alright, let's go back down. Monarch elevator. Can't believe this is my second Monarch elevator, and this was installed in 1951. So this elevator is a lot older than the one I found at the William Cross building. As you see, these buttons were actually replaced at a time with PTL, and looks like they mistakenly replaced the door close braille for the door open button. Anyways, your fixture is right here, and I think we'll go for one more ride, and after that we'll go ahead and end the video because I don't want to overstay my welcome. Anyways, we'll go for one more ride. It's small too. Alright, let's go back down. That's a classic level. I assume this elevator stays on peak up the same way like the William Cross building does. So with that being said, there it goes, and that's it.